Introducing the Acer Swift Go 16 Pro Black Edition, a cutting-edge addition to the Acer laptop lineup, set to launch in early Q2 2024. This sleek laptop features a matte black aluminum unibody and a stunning 16-inch OLED display, designed for professionals who demand style, performance, and durability. Equipped with the latest 13th generation Intel Core processors, it offers two configurations. One with an Intel Core i5-1342OH processor paired with 16GB of LPDDR5 memory, and a more powerful variant with an Intel Core i7-1362OH processor and 32GB of LPDDR5 memory. Both models boast 1TB of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, expandable to 2TB, ensuring ample space and speed for all your needs. The display is a highlight with a 3.2000 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness of 500 nits, providing sharp, fluid visuals with vibrant colors. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.1, a microSD card reader, and two USB Type-C ports of Thunderbolt 4, alongside a 144p webcam, with temporal noise reduction and Acer CuraFeed voice technology for clear audio and video conferences. The Acer Swift Go 16 Pro Black Edition is priced at €1099 for the i5 model and €1299 for the i7 variant, offering unparalleled performance and style.